frame?
Birch Lake Apartments in Ludington,
What street are those located at?
Tinkham Avenue,
And at that time, what apartment were you living in?
924.
How long had you lived there as of June of 2011?
3 years about?
Who were you living with back in June of 2011?
My daughter Jovi,
How old was Jovi back in that time frame?
3,
All right.
Jovi.
Ms. Campbell, did you, back in that time frame, did you know an individual by the name of Ariel Cortland?
Yes,
And can you tell the members of the jury how you knew her?
we were friends and neighbors.
How long had you known Ariel as of June of 2011?
As friends, we had just probably a year.
All right. Did you know her in high school?
I know of her.
Were you in the same graduating class with her?
No,
All right. Where did you live in relation to Ariel Cortland within that apartment complex?
I was the center building, so she was to the west of me.
And how
Three
many,
buildings.
I'm sorry, what did
3
you say?
buildings.
How often back in June of 2011 would you hang out with Ariel Cortland? Just roughly.
No, almost every day.
Did you go to lunch together?
Yep.
Would you get your daughter together with her daughter Haley?
Yes.
Were they playmates?
Yes.
All right. Would you go to her house and have her come to your house or
Yes.
apartment?
Yep.
Are you familiar with the defendant in this matter, Sean Phillips?
Yes.
And the person you know as Sean Phillips is that individual in the courtroom today.
Yes.
Would you please point to him and describe what he's wearing?
He's wearing a blue shirt and tie.
Your Honor, may the record reflect identification of the defendant, Sean Phillips? Would you ever see Ariel Cortland and the defendant together?
No.
All right. Would you see the defendant around the apartment complex?
Rarely, maybe once.
All right. I want to direct your attention to June 29th of 2011. Did you speak to Ariel Cortland in the early morning hours on that date?
Yes.
Can you tell the members of the jury how that came about?
I was going to the beach because I had family in town, and I asked if she wanted to meet up with me there.
Did Ariel relate any plans that she had for the day at that time?
She just told me that she could meet me down there because she had something to do.
Did she tell you what things she had to do?
I don't remember.
All right. Now I wanted to direct your attention to a little bit later that day. Did you have contact with Ariel Cortland?
Yes.
Tell the members of the jury what happened.
I was ready to leave my apartment to go to the beach, and she knocked on the door, and I opened it, and she said, "I need to use your phone. Sean took Kate."
All right. Describe her demeanor for the members of the jury when she came to your door, what you observed.
She was panicked, and she was out of breath, almost crying.
And have you previously testified to this information before?
Yes.
And also given it to the police in statements?
Yeah.
All right.